छोड़कर बाकी देशवासियों को भी एक समय का भोजन छोड़ने की प्रार्थना की। जब 1965 में पाकिस्तान ने भारत पर हमला किया तब उन्होंने बड़ी दृढ़तापूर्वक देश का नेतृत्व किया। यह युद्ध अगस्त सितंबर तक चला। इस युद्ध में भारतीय सेना ने पाकिस्तान के लाहौर और सियालकोट पर कब्जा कर लिया, परंतु यूनाइटेड नेशन के हस्तक्षेप करने की वजह से युद्ध विराम कराया गया।
Everyone knows the best of best personalities, and we just know, right? Correct? We just know about it. Have you ever observed that all things, whatever they have faced throughout their life, are we facing the same thing? No. Just now, ma'am said 155 years of Gandhiji's legacy we are still celebrating. 155 years. Can you believe someone has died born in 155 years and still we are celebrating his birthday? He has done something great. Am I right? So that time the situations were different. Today's situations are different. Absolutely right. Lal Bahadur Shastri 120 years. Can you imagine? 120 साल. Okay. इतने साल के बाद हम याद कर रहे हैं. Something they have done absolutely outstanding. Correct? But tell me, students, very simple. Okay. Today, do we have all that kind of task? Huh? How people will remember us after 120 years, 150 years? Lal Bahadur Shastri was also amongst like you, right? He was also, like I did. He laughed, he fought also with the colleagues. He has done all mischievous things what you are doing right now, but still we remember him. Okay, he has done something great. Tell me, what he has done something great? If we talk about Lal Bahadur Shastri, what he has done something great that still we are remembering?
He stood up for the right. He stood for the right.
He stood for the right. Okay. Anyone? Can I sit? I'll take 5-10 minutes, not more than that. Okay. He never misused his post or position, right? Absolutely right. Yes, that's why we still, follow his values, ethics. Anyone? That's very important. That's not a history question. Right. Yes.
He always said truth, and he always encouraged the slogan "Jai Jawan Jai Kisan."
Okay, so he said truth. Okay, truth. Yes. Anyone? Anyone? Yes.
He never disobeyed the rules of that particular place wherever he went.
Okay, he's followed the rule. He made sure that other also should follow, and he should not do any mistakes by himself. Am I right? That's what you want to say. Yes. Anyone? Come on, boys and girls. Just we have to understand that why we are remembering him still. Yeah. Okay, he showed the way that the country first, right? And whatever we are doing, we have to do it for country. Am I right? This is what you want to say? Very good. So, his words are wisdom, okay, for the country. Yes.
He was following his guru's path. He was following his guru's path.
Okay, he was following.
Yes. He was following his guru's path.
Achha, he was following the guru's path. Okay, so he was a very obedient, very good student, right? So whatever he has learned in his life, yes, yes, madam.
He fought for freedom.
He fought for freedom. Freedom of?
Nation.
Freedom of nation. Okay. Yes. Anyone? Anyone? The most of the students are watching here. You have to be focused. That okay, you have to answer. Why? Yes. Yes.
He was very truthful to himself and to others.
He was very truthful for himself and other. Yes. This answer has been already there, but yes, I can take it. Yes. Imagine 120 years still we are remembering. Yeah. So come on.
He never used the government's tools or the things for his own personal use.
Yes. He was not selfish, right? He was not greedy. In other words, I can say yes. Okay. Yes.
He never wanted to live a luxury life.
He
never wanted to live a luxury life.
he wanted to live luxurious life, but his own way. Right? We have to understand this. Everyone wants to be a luxurious life, but different luxuries means what? Luxury means what? Truth, right? Luxuries means simplicity, right? Making other people comfortable, and he has to be very comfortable. He need one bed, but the bed should be for his comfort. Am I right? For his comfort. He has not shown the bed which is okay others to show. Am I right? So the luxurious for everyone likes, but what are the difference between the luxury for a person? That matters, right? So you are right, but I am just making you more correcting that nobody wants to live like a slave, right? Everybody wants to live like a king because he was a king of India. Am I right? Because he was the prime minister of India. Please. Yes, anyone? Yes, please. Whichever the situation, when a person have a right choice and right message to the world, okay, which will not affect their life at all, but it will be able to get something to India. So he has given the good mantra, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So he has empowered the youth and he also empowered the farmers. Okay? Right? So that's the beauty of certain people who have, raised the bar of their legacy and they maintained the image of their values, ethics in everyone's life. Right? Now you've said many things now here. You have said many things. All things have you applied on your you. Just example लो. इतने सारी चीजें की क्या आप लोगों में नहीं है? इसका मतलब कितने अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोली ना आपने उनके बारे में, राइट? चलो क्लैप करते हैं. देखो मेरा तो नहीं आता, मैंने कहा अभी किसका आ रहा है, चेक करो, राइट? जब मैंने कहा मेरा नहीं आ रहा है, राइट, तो सबने कहा मेरा नहीं आ रहा है, बट इट्स अ ग्रुप एक्टिविटी, किसी का भी नहीं आना चाहिए. आ रहा है? अभी थोड़ा और. Task is not yet over. Still is happening. Still something is happening. Right? Okay. What happened in 30 seconds? In 30 seconds, you have engaged yourself for certain activities. Am I right? When I said आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए, so your focus was here. That कुछ भी हो, आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. कुछ बच्चे ये सोच रहे इसका आवाज आ रहा है, खुद का हाथ का छोड़ के इधर उधर, राइट? कुछ बच्चे अपने हाथ के ऊपर फोकस कर रहे हैं कि आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. That's the beauty of any great personalities. सबसे पहले वो देखें अपने अंदर कि मैं सही हूँ या नहीं, ठीक है? फिर वो दुनिया बदलते हैं. कोई भी पर्सनैलिटीज डायरेक्ट दुनिया बदलता पहले वो खुद को बदलता है. जिस दिन वो खुद को बदल लेना, दुनिया अपने आप उसके पीछे हो जाती है. ये बात अगर जिस दिन समझ में आए, उस दिन हम सही में गांधी जी को और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी को समझ पाएंगे. समझ में आ रहा है? बस में चल रहे हो, एक बच्चे ने थोड़ा सा धक्का दे दिया, एक घुमा के घुसा, है ना? वो बोलेगा आज तो 2 अक्टूबर है, अरे सॉरी, राइट? ये ले गाल, वो दे दिया वापस उसने, है ना? क्यों मारा? बोला आई एम फॉलोइंग द गांधी जी. एक गाल दो, दूसरा गाल आगे कर दो. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको वो सिचुएशन क्रिएट करो. करेक्ट है ना? जस्ट पेशेंस. समझ में आ रहा है? कितना पेशेंस है हमारे में? एक मम्मी ने कुछ बोल दिया, कितना गुस्सा आता है ना? एंग्री. जिसको नहीं आता, राइट? किसी और पे गुस्सा आता होगा, राइट? सो एंगर इज वन ऑफ द मेजर पार्ट. इमेजिन गांधी जी को अगर बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आया होगा तो नहीं आया होगा क्या? उनको गांधी जी को इतना अच्छा सूट बूट पहन के बात कहते हैं, कितना गुस्सा आया होगा उनको? आया होगा ना, राइट? फिर उन्होंने क्या किया? उस गुस्से को उन्होंने वेपन बनाया. चलो कितनी बार फेंकेंगे मुझे? 1 बार फेंकेंगे, 2 बार फेंकेंगे, 3 बार फेंकेंगे, उनके हाथ कभी तो दुखेंगे, राइट? जब वो इंडिया में आए, देखिए लोगों के पास खाना नहीं है, लोगों के पास पहनने के लिए कपड़े नहीं है, वो तलवार कहां से उठाएंगे? वो कहां से बंदूक उठाएंगे? क्योंकि सारे खेती करने वाले लोग हैं. कुछ लोग हैं जो वेपन्स ले रहे हैं, लेकिन वो अंग्रेजों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. सो ही हैज स्मार्टली व्हाट ही डिड कि भाई चलो हमारे पास जनता है, कितना मारेंगे? 50 लोग 1 लाख लोगों को मार पाएंगे क्या? नहीं. कितना? पूरे दिन आओ. एंड वैसे भी किसान, वैसे भी हम लोग बचपन से इतने मार खाए, राइट? ओके, मैंने तो बहुत खाया, जम के मिलिट्री वाले पट्टे से बहुत जम के. राइट? तो मुझे अगर वो 2-4 और अभी बोले कि चलो इंडिया के लिए करना है, मैं बोले चलो 10-12 पट्टे तो खा लेंगे, एम आई राइट? दैट काइंड ऑफ हमारा स्ट्रेंथ तो था ही ना, वो स्ट्रेंथ को हमने यूटिलाइज किया। और स्ट्रेंथ को यूटिलाइज कब किया? जब हमारे पास वेपन्स, जब हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं था। जब कुछ नहीं था तो हमारे पास हम थे। तो गांधी जी ने हमें अपने आप को अपने लिए खड़े होने के लिए सामने रखा कि तुम जब अपने लिए खड़े होगे और जब तुम्हें वो दर्द होगा तो वो फीलिंग्स जो होगा वो देशवासियों के लिए होगा। समझ में आया? वो दर्द जो होगा वो देशवासियों के लिए होगा। वो उस पर्टिकुलर, इससे थोड़ा प्रोसेस बड़ा है। अभी इसमें सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी ने अंग्रेजों की तो पूरा
Our duty is to clean dirt. And serve Mother India. I take pledge. To be aware of cleanliness. And devote time for it. To fulfill this cleanliness pledge. I will work 100 hours a year. That is 2 hours a week. I will myself not spread dirt. And will not allow others to do so. At the first step, I will start cleaning from myself, from my family, from my locality, from my village, and from my workplace. I believe that in the clean countries of the world, the citizens don't spread dirt. And don't allow others to make it dirty. With this aim, I will give publicity of Swachh Bharat Mission in lanes and villages. I will make 100 people take this pledge. Which I am taking today. I will see into it that they also give 100 hours for cleanliness. I understand that. My one move towards cleanliness will help in making whole India clean. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Vande